vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of water, and some food coloring. Last but not least, you'll need something to mix with. First, pour the vegetable oil into the cup. Next, pour the vinegar into the cup. Be careful not to spill. Then, stir it all together. Next, add up to 4 drops of your choice of food coloring. Me, I'm going to do 3 drops of blue and 3 drops of pink. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Next, we're going to pour the water into the vinegar and then mix it. After we're done mixing, pour it into the cup. Watch the magic happen.